Just imagine you are given a capability that you can easily mix with the people from every corner of the world like a family. Have you ever thought about this? Keep thinking. Thank you, English Fantasy, for giving me the opportunity to stay here. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yasir Arafat. Hello, my companions. How is it going today? Are you over the moon or are you exhausted? But I'm very glad to have you guys. At the very beginning of my speech, I mentioned a capability. That was basically the importance of learning English. Well, learning English is such kind of ability that will bring you to the top of success. Do you feel it? You have to feel it because you are now in English Fantasy. By pointing three topics, I will make you feel career in Bangladesh, to go abroad, and gaining respect. First of all, career in Bangladesh. If you live in the country and wanna join to the best companies or organizations, then English is mandatory for you. There is no doubt about it. Almost every companies wanna maintain their international relation. So if you don't know English or if you are ignorant in English, you will definitely be left behind in the battle of life. Secondly, to go abroad. If you wanna go abroad for higher education, English should be the main and only language for you. And almost in 60 countries, English plays a vital role as a main language. For your kind information, all the books of higher education are written in English, and teachers will give their lectures in English, and it's absolutely certain. So if you don't know English, you won't be able to go abroad. Even if you go, you will have no value. And thirdly, gaining respect. We all now live in modern era, right? We are used to speak in English. Without knowing English, let me give an example how several types of defamation you will face in your life. Have you heard the speech of Narendra Modi? What did he say? My parent, India parent, Donald Trump. Have you heard this? Oh, it's so embarrassing. Did you notice after saying this, where did his owner go on social media? It's better to die. After knowing everything, now do you realize what is the importance of learning English? I believe if you realize, this realization will bring you to the top of success. By the way, do you know what is the actual meaning of success? Keep thinking. Grateful to hear me.